G'day, Mark here from Tempest Tools. This video is about extracting DXFs from PDFs. So I'm going to start with clicking on the Add Parts button here, and I use my Add Parts from PDF. Now, it'll only export CAD drawn parts. It's not going to export a photo of a part, so just bear that in mind. If you do come across one of those, it just won't register. So all you do is you grab your parts and either click select PDFs here or just drag them onto the background, the white background here, and just drop them. If your PDF has more than one page in it, you'll start to see the pages appear down the edge here. So if that had more than one page, it'd be P1, P2. So there's that PDF, and that's that PDF there. So I'll start with this one. As you can see here, there's one part. These are just 3D renders, and you can see the title block on the outside. So if you scroll on your mouse roller, it will zoom in, and if you click and hold on that roller, you can pan around. So in this instance, I can see my scale, and I can also see there's also some fold lines on this as well. So very simply, you just choose the outer cut profile, and the system will know the inner geometry. So you can see here, it's pulled in those holes. All I did was click on the outside. I'm now going to go and choose my material. So I want mild steel, and this one is 3mm. This is where you put your scale. So as you can see here, there's my scale. So I'll use my width, but you could use your height. It's a proportionate scale, so it doesn't matter which, as long as one goes in. So it's 167.29. So you can see here it's scaled it. And to add your bend lines, there's a icon here. So the blue icon, and then just select those bend lines. I'm not holding down shift, I'm just selecting them. And then once you're done drawing or defining the part, you click save, and you'll notice that that put the define part as a entry up in here. So that's that one done. I'm now going to click down on the next one, the next PDF. Again, I can zoom in and pan around, so I can see my scale here, which is 1250.4, and if I pan down in here, I can see that it's 6mm on 316. So I'm just going to slightly pan out, and then there we go. All right, so again, you just click, choose your material. So it was 316 and it was 6mm, and there's only one of these. So I can tab to the next field, which is quantity, and if I keep tabbing, I can tab down to my to the scale here as well. So it's 1250.4. Again, it's got some bend lines. Click, click, and then what I'm going to do here, because there's some countersink marks in there, so those internal holes are cut, but the outers are countersunk, so I'm going to just use the info layer to choose those. And all I did was click on the yellow icon there for the info layer. Again, you just select them, you don't need to hold down shift. And once you're done defining that one part, you hit save. And now I can pan down to the next part, which is down in here. And if I zoom out slightly, I can see that this one's on 10mm, same material, but they want 2. And it looks like there's no folds or anything like that, so all I need to do is choose the part, choose the material, thickness was 10, tab down, 2 for the quantity, and I'm going to use the width, or sorry, the height to scale my drawing here. So just to show you that whatever you enter here will affect over here, and it's a proportionate scale. So no countersinks, no folds or anything like that, so I hit save. And as you can see, there's my first part in that first PDF, and there's my 2 parts in the second. And then from here, all you do is click the Send to Estimate button, and ToolBox will then give you back your DXFs. And if we come down in here and open up that drawing, you'll notice that what it did is it honoured those layers that I defined as well. So if I click on the Layers tab in here, you can see there they are, cutting, cutting, folding, folding, and info on info. So you can actually use this as an extraction tool as well. So you don't have to send the quote to a customer. So you can see here I've got no customer selected. All you need to do is hit calculate, and then review your quote. And now when I download, I've got my drawings in CSV. It goes without saying too that you shouldn't really trust a part that's been extracted from a PDF. It's just used for quoting purposes. So, but some of them might be good enough for rough cuts and those sorts of things. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that video and stay tuned for some more. There's other videos in the playlist when this one finishes, so have a look at those as well. Thank you.